I'm John Hallway. I'm the Executive Director of the Quattrone Center for the Fair Administration of Justice here at Penn Law. The new initiative that we're launching in early 2016 is called the Philadelphia Event Review Team. It's a multi-stakeholder initiative that's the first of its kind in the United States to gather representatives from the various criminal justice agencies around the city and create a database that will allow us to study cases with unintended outcomes, cases where the system has not operated in the way that we think it should. Using the database, we will be able to both identify trends in areas where there might be opportunities for improvement in the criminal justice system, and we'll also be able to select cases for what we call just culture event reviews, which are deep dives and root cause analysis into not just what happened that made these cases go wrong, but why it happened. And generally what we find in these cases is that there are errors that occur throughout the system, so you'll be able to prioritize areas for improvement not just with the police or the DA's office, for example, but also within the public defenders and the court system. Finally, we've added a new participant to our group, the Criminal Justice Advisory Board in Philadelphia County, which is a group of criminal justice professionals that work together to prioritize and implement reforms. So with the Philadelphia Event Review Team, what we've done for the first time is assemble the DA's office, the police department, the Court of Common Pleas, the public defenders, and the Criminal Justice Advisory Board to really have a communal group that will look at cases where errors have occurred, prioritize those reforms, and for the first time really have the capability to implement those reforms across all these agencies. The really exciting thing about this project is potentially the creation of this database. So by gathering information from the court system, and looking at cases, for example, that the City of Philadelphia has settled based on complaints dealing with law enforcement of their DA's office, and combining that with self-reported cases of error or cases that would have been an error but for fortuitous recognition early on, we're going to be able to aggregate lots of cases that we otherwise might have missed, and we'll be creating not just a data asset that the entire City and County of Philadelphia will be able to use, but hopefully a template that the rest of the nation can follow for how they might be able to embrace this kind of a process moving forward.